Bonjour everyone and welcome back to Chez Gourdet Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you how to make our very own Haitian soup Joumou, which is also known as the Independence Day soup. Believe it or not, this soup is actually really not that difficult to make. All it is a mixture of some hearty vegetables, boiled meat, and of course the main ingredient, which is squash. First thing that you'll need to do is gather all of these ingredients that you see here, mainly the vegetables, a few spices, and of course the joumou or the squash. The first step is to grab your squash, peel off the skin, cut it in half, and then remove all of the seeds and the pulp completely. Next, you're going to cut the squash into smaller pieces and then add it to a pot of water. You're going to boil your squash for about 30 to 45 minutes until they are really soft. While your squash is boiling, this is time to prepare all of your vegetables. So you're going to peel off all the skin on all of your vegetables, and then you're gonna dice them into pieces. Now here you can decide how big these pieces are. The size doesn't really matter. It is just your preference of how big you want the vegetables in your soup. When the squash is ready, you're going to remove it from the pot and add in your vegetables. Take the squash with a little bit of the boiled water, add it to a blender, and blend it until you get this beautiful consistency. So for about 35 seconds to a minute. So traditional soup joumou is typically made without meat. Over the years, people have added in meat to add more of a savory taste, but you really don't need it because the squash gives you all the flavor that you need. For this recipe, if you would like to add meat to your soup joumou, it's really easy. All you do is choose your meat, which is typically chicken feet, oxtail, beef, or turkey necks. Marinate it in any spices that you would like, and then you would boil it for about 45 minutes. Then you would add your meat in at the same time that you add in your vegetables. After adding your vegetables and meat to the pot, it is time to stir in the squash that you would just finish blending. And then the most important part, it's time to add in all of your seasonings. And you would mix in all of your spices and let the soup boil on about medium-high heat, so a 5 or 6 setting, for 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, lower the heat to about a 3, taste the soup, add any additional seasonings that you may like, and then add your spaghetti and or rigatoni. Let the soup cook on low for about 20 more minutes, and afterwards, your soup joumou is ready. For more Haitian cooking content, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bon appetit, everyone.